Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll be looking into setting up and using our Accept Payments feature. This feature allows your clients to pay when they book with you. It's also required when using membership, coupons, gift cards, service add-ons, and products for sale. We can begin getting acquainted with it by navigating to custom features and enabling it. Once you click the Settings button, you will notice two options, Settings and Reports. Reports will take you to your payment transactions archive, so for now we will go into Settings where the general configuration is located. Any changes you make on this page are not saved automatically, so if you want to save them, you can click Save Settings at the top or the bottom of this page. Let's start from the top. The Company Currency drop-down allows choosing the currency that will be used for the prices you list for your services and other purchasable items. Please note that it's only possible to use one currency per account, so if you change the currency when setting up a service, for instance, all of the configured prices will be listed in that currency. Payment timeout value is important because it determines the time frame within which a payment needs to be completed in order to be considered paid by our system. This time frame also includes the time required for the payment processor you set up to issue a payment confirmation. Please keep this in mind when adjusting its value. PayPal payments, for example, can take up to a few hours to be completed, and our default timeout value is just 10 minutes. If this value is set to 10 minutes and the client takes longer than this to complete the payment, or if we do not receive the payment confirmation within this time frame, our system will consider the payment timed out. This will render the booking inactive, so another client may be able to book the same time slot, even if you only accept one booking at a time, for example. On the other hand, if the payment timeout is set to a high value, the slot will remain busy until the booking times out. Please note that if a client reaches the payment page, but decides to change their mind and navigates away, the booking will be suspended until it times out, so the respective time slot will be considered busy until then. Allowing delay payment will simply allow your clients to choose to pay later and book for free. Paying later entails paying in cash upon arrival, for instance. If you want to add taxes to client payments, the prices include tax option should remain disabled. Otherwise, the listed prices are considered as ones that already include tax. Taxes can be configured by clicking Edit Taxes, filling out the available fields, and saving changes. The Invoice Settings section includes the switch to automatically approve bookings made using the Pay Later option. If it's disabled, the Payment Transactions report will list the booking as pending payment until you manually change it to paid. The next switch allows to skip the payment confirmation from client bookings. It can be useful when you simply want to list prices and not actually charge clients during booking, for instance. The Send Invoice to Client switch determines whether a payment receipt is sent to the client via email after payment. It's also possible to customize the header of the receipt and the related email below. The variables can be used to include more booking-related information in the email. These will be replaced with actual data from the invoice. The section on the right includes all of the currently supported payment processors. You can click on a given processor to fill out the information required to integrate with it. You can also integrate with a number of payment processors if you want to allow clients to choose the payment method during booking. This can be useful if some clients want to pay using PayPal while others prefer credit card payment, for instance. Please note that in order to integrate with a given processor, it's necessary to have an account with them first. If you are not sure what details to enter into the payment processor fields, please refer to their documentation or reach out to their support for assistance. Lastly, item prices and taxes can be applied while setting up or modifying the respective item. For instance, service prices are configured in Manage Services. You can view all payment receipts in Reports Payment Transactions. Thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to reach out to our support if you have further questions or require any assistance. If you found this video helpful, you can watch more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and subscribe as well as check the links in the description to follow our pages on other social media. See you soon!